Hello friends. How are you? You guys hanging in there? Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom pom. Super relaxing. It's very zen. You can make a bunch of them, string them together, have a party for yourself. All you need is some yarn. It's always fun to kind of mix the colors together and get this like trippy, tie-dye thing. You need some tape, scissors, and a fork. That's right. I bet you didn't think that you could make a pom-pom with a fork, but you can. Are you intrigued? You grab these supplies and let's make this. You're gonna cut a piece of yarn, get a little piece of tape. You're gonna tape the end of your yarn to the end of your fork. Just want to make sure this part's secure because you don't want to lose this end. It's sad when you do. Hold on to the rest of the yarn on the fork like this. Take your yarn and you're going to start wrapping it from like here to here. Don't cover that tape and don't lose this string. And just wrap around forever. Keep on going. It's actually quite amazing how much yarn a pom-pom takes. Well, I think this is enough. I like to go like 30 seconds after I think that. I like to keep it even, somewhat even. You don't want to have too little on one side and then a super bunch on the very middle or at the end. I'm going to cut it. From there, this is why it's important to not lose this string that you taped up. You can remove the tape. Now you have both ends of your initial yarn that you're gonna tie like this. And I'm gonna carefully, very carefully slide my little spaghetti roll of yarn. And then from there, tie it super tight. Like that. And now you have this like cute little wormy ball of yarn. But anything that you see that's looped, cut right through the center. All right, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to separate the loop and it'll just kind of open up a little bit. All the way across like that. Oh, hey, that's kind of looking like a pom-pom. Now this is the very soothing part that happens where you get to like bonsai trim this thing. I like to just pretend that I am a hairstylist, the world's worst hairstylist, because I'm just hacking it off. Make it even, just make it look like a pom-pom sphere. I could just do this for hours. This is very relaxing. Not to be perfect. There you go. That's your little pom-pom friend. The more that you loop it around, the more full it's gonna be. If you have something that's just kind of like, ooh, it's a little sad friend, wind it up a few more times when you're doing the fork spaghetti roll. And there you go. That's how you make a pom-pom.